How the Internet works. The Internet is a vast network that connects millions of devices worldwide. It works by breaking down data into small pieces called packets, which travel through different pathways over various networks. When you send a message or visit a website, your device connects to a local network, which is usually your Wi-Fi or cellular network. This network then communicates with an Internet Service Provider (ISP), which helps direct your data to its destination. Each device on the Internet, like a computer or smartphone, has a unique IP address, like a digital home address. When you request information, such as loading a website, the request is sent from your device to the server hosting the website. The server then sends the data back to your device, reassembling the packets into a readable format. The Internet uses protocols like TAP/PIP to ensure that data is sent and received correctly. Routers and switches direct traffic, and domain name servers (DNS) translate human-readable addresses like google.com into IP addresses, making the entire process seamless for users. In essence, the Internet is a global communication network
that spans the entire globe. It's made up of countless smaller networks connected through electronic and wireless means. This global network lets people share information and stay connected from anywhere in the world. Essentially, the Internet is the largest computer network in the world. All the information we seek is stored on these servers, which we can access using various devices like computers, tablets, game consoles, and phones, thanks to special gadgets and software. So the next time you browse the web, send an email, or stream a video, remember that you're part of this incredible global network. Thank you, and stay connected, Brainwitzer.